Welcome to part 3 on our sound DUNE on World Down Syndrome Day.
The start of some grasses. So I've got the burnt umber with a bit of purple. All right, can you see that? And then I'm going to put them up here now. So just on the edge there. And then a little allowance for us. So the fan brush then, we'll use this small fan brush.
Yeah.
All right, ready? So that's going to pull the little grasses up like that a bit.
Beautiful.
Right, you do that on yours in a minute.
I drank my cup of tea.
Yeah.
Gently.
Very gently, yeah. Yeah, you don't push hard, you're just being very gentle with that. Just to, like that. Alright. Right, you can do that on yours. Right, do the dark lines first, yeah. Put it on, you can put it on quite thick though. Stipple it, yeah. That's it, good go. That's it. Good go. Very gently, come on. Pull it out like that. And then, that's it. That's nice. See, that looks really nice, doesn't it? Good go. I'm going to add a bit more dark. Putting it on quite chunky. This is going on quite thick. So a bit more. That. I'm going to put a bit in there. Right, and then get the little fan brush. And so what you've got to do is you've got to pull that, all that thick paint, you've got to pull it, right, Dornan? Pull it up like that, so you get all those little grasses. And then you pull it down and across, like that. You're going to do that on yours?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's it, beautiful. Good girl. That's look at that. That's really nice. Hang on. Whoa, that's lovely. Look at that. How lovely is that? Right, now do like you did over the other side. That's lovely. Go on. Yeah. Wow. Lovely. Good girl. You can pull it up a little bit further. Don't hang on. When you do it, you don't start there. You start there and then pull it up. You don't start there. All right. So pull it at different angles. That come in. That's it. Go on, pull it. Yay! Wow. See the little grasses.
Yeah.
That's nice, isn't it?
Beautiful.
That's really nice. Let's have that. Right. Okay. Then pull these down that way now. No, not down, not straight down, across like that.
Across?
Yeah.
Yeah. Not down?
No.
No.
That's it. Good go, go on. Pull it, press quite hard.
Toby's good.
That's amazing. Right, okay, what we do now is we put some chunky burnt umber in there.
And don't forget on mine as well.
Do it now. There you go. And some little bits in there. Like that. Okay, good. That's it. Nice. What a lovely little picture. Isn't it?
Only part of this one.
Eh?
Only part of this.
Yeah, we'll sort that out.
Yeah.
Keep that there. Hang on, I'm going to grasses like that. Ready? Yeah, you do that to yours then. That's it. Put them quite. Look. Wow, lovely. That's really nice. Look at that.
Looks like
Wow.
this one.
It does look like that one. Yeah. But this is only the first stage, so got a long way to go yet. So I'm going to get some of this shadowy colour and put it down there. So you fill the
Cup of tea.
no.
Like this.
Pardon? Yeah. Fill it in. Yeah. I'm going to change the colour of this because mine's a bit blue. So I'm going to make this one a little bit more purple. Ready? Hang on. Keep still. Keep still. Grow. Holding my breath. Oh dear. There you go. Right.
Beautiful.
Then I'm going to pull that down.
Yeah.
Just blend the bottom out. In fact, I'm going to put a little wave in behind that as well, in the background, a little thin one. Can you hold the camera for the light? So I'm going to put a wave, a little thin wave, just in the back.
Beautiful.
Yeah, that'll do for a minute. And I think we can leave that to dry now. All right.
Yeah.
Just soften yours a bit. That's beautiful, Dan. That's a really nice little picture. Well done. Isn't it?
Yeah. This is part one done. The next stage, and then you did dry first, and then to the next stage. Oh dear.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm doing some mermaids on my cards. Okay. Yeah. Thank you for watching our video, and I hope you enjoyed it.